Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Klaviyo's predictive analytics to create a pop-up that's customized. So a lot of people, when you create pop-up, a very standard pop-up would be, like a pop-up form or a flyout, mobile or desktop where you show to your audience, right? 10% discount in this case, or you can have free shipping, $10 off. But then you're missing a lot on the table because not everyone will give you the email. That's number one. Number two is, let's say a customer that has already bought from you before, they will not get the same pop-up again, right? Because this is only for first-time customers. So what we'll do right now is I'm going to show you how you can leverage the predictive analytics to churn out more revenue for you guys. Before that, you can, due to some other stuff that I can't show the client this particular store's account, but I managed to put out the data round up to the nearest dollar. You can see this form itself generated around 24,000 just by using this tactic. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it. The idea is that this pop-up will only be shown to the people who are going to be expected to place their order in the next 14 days. So how do we know who are going to place the order in the next 14 days? Klaviyo has their own predictive analytics and algorithm machine learning backend, and then we're going to leverage that. So we start off by creating a segment. We call this a expected order date in the next 2 weeks. All right. And what we're going to do is properties. And again, here you can actually select this expected next order date. Right. In the last, we change to in the next 14 days. All right. And we want the email. Actually, let's leave that. All right. So we just get that, and then we create a segment. So this segment of people, what happened is they are predicted to order in the next 14 days based on their website behavior, their a lot of other algorithm things that they input inside, which we don't have access. Of course, is part of uh, their data scientists and people behind the scene who calculate this for us. So once you create that segment, what you're going to do is you go to forms. You're going to create a sign up form. You can create similar to this depending on your offer. In this one, we're going to give 15% off, and then the discount code is here. We blur it out. You can put welcome 10 or just give like a 6 or 5 prefix. Can be DAR56 or something very easy for them to remember. What we do is I'm just going to randomly click anyone. You can create your own template, right? I'm just going to put this EOD 14 days. Then you need to create a list. What we're going to do is I'm just going to select a list first. Doesn't matter. You can unselect it later on because we're not going to move them to a list. Right. So of course we don't want this. We delete this. You can put your copy here. The discount code. Literally can copy this. Doesn't really matter. And then in the button here, you can see it's submit. What you're going to do is you don't want them to submit. You want them to go to a URL. So maybe it's a particular URL. If your website is your website, your website.com, right? Whatever your website is, and then slash discount slash, and then you put in your discount code. So if mine is this is, for example, if this is my discount code, right? Let's say it's extra 15% off. So you can put this at the back. All right. So you can actually search this up, Shopify Klaviyo automatic discount. You can learn about this right here. This one here. I think it shows you at the bottom right here how do you automatically put in this code so that they don't need to remember that 5 prefix that you have. When they click the shop now button, when they click the shop now button, it straight away go and apply that code is already at the checkout. So it saves them one step and one friction. So this is the trick. You can change this, of course, shop now, this and that, put an emoji, and then that's done. And very importantly, the last step is behaviors. You want to only show right here, target at least, show only to people, which is what you created just now, right? Why is this important? It's important because you don't want to show to everyone, right? Otherwise you have two pop-up because you already have that mobile and desktop pop-up set up for yourself. You only want to show these to people who are expected to order in the next 2 weeks or 14 days. You can change it to the next 30 days, next 3 days, doesn't really matter depending on your audience and how big your list is. I just put 2 weeks because it's the standard. And then you're gonna this pop-up will only be shown to these people, and then they can actually enter the discount code. Right, then you just click publish, and then after 1 week, right, you notice here it's the next 24 hours. We do this because we want to create an urgency. Obviously you're going to leave it for 1 week, and then you can take out the results, and then you can do your own analytics to see if it actually works for your brand. So this is a very good way to leverage the predictive analytics in Klaviyo's backend, and also how you can create more than one pop-up. Right, this is a more advanced strategy, but it works than comparing to a standard pop-up. I hope this will help you guys improve your pop-up and churn out more from your current list. And don't forget to subscribe and like this button. It helped me tons. And I'll also share a lot more videos in the future about all the tricks and tactics that we use and how we help our clients grow using email marketing. All right, catch you guys soon.